Well, one of the things that people need to know is that Florida is a no-fault divorce state. And that means that you don't have to prove fault in order to get a divorce. Almost anybody can get a divorce for almost any reason. So one of the examples that I give clients when they come in is if your spouse comes in, walks in the door and has purple hair, and you absolutely cannot live with somebody with purple hair, that can be grounds for a divorce. All you need to show is that there are irreconcilable differences and that your marriage is irretrievably broken. In other words, that it can't be put together with counseling or other intervention. So it's pretty easy to get a divorce in Florida. Again, the only criteria, irreconcilable differences, and your marriage is irretrievably broken. Children are affected by divorce more than we know, and they often feel like they're being put in the middle, especially when there's a custody dispute. When there's a custody dispute, the dispute is about the children, and so it can affect them. And how to handle that and go through a custody dispute when you know that you're only looking out for the best interest of the children, and to keep that in mind, is something that we really talk about with our clients. Real estate, a family-owned home, is probably one of the most significant assets that any family owns, and especially in this market, the value of that real estate has gone down substantially. Sometimes people are underwater, which means they owe money on the real estate, and that makes it a little bit more difficult to divide up that asset when you're going through a divorce. So having someone experienced in formulating solutions to those kinds of problems can really help the family. A lot of law firms just do family law, and they don't have the training or the experience that we do as far as real estate and corporate law is concerned.